Wahala for community wey no get secret. My people, every community get inner room wey outsider no suppose enter. Dis secret no be wickedness, na survival strategy. But dis generation don turn everything to con ten t. Where community dey hide during external attack, una don post am. Escape route, una don map am. Secret meeting place, live video don carry am go everywhere. Una dey shout, we dey create awareness. Forget say una dey also expose una people. Nobody dey pray for war or crisis before e happen. But if wahala burst tomorrow, tell me where una go hide when una don expose all the secret online? The true talk be say no be everything suppose dey for social media. My brother man and sister woman, I salute una. Ado.